Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short Unity tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a bouncing ball using nothing but physics material. No coding at all, just a few clicks and you'll have a ball that keeps bouncing realistically. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to give a big thanks to Seriotasa Studio for providing the ball models you see on the screen. They've done an amazing job, and the best part is, this asset pack is completely free on the Unity Asset Store. Now it's time to make our ball bounce. To do that, we need to create a physics material and apply it to the ball's collider. Right-click in the project window, go to Create Greater Than Physics Material, and name it something like Bouncy Material. In the inspector, set bounciness to 1, and bounce combined to maximum. Also, set both static friction and dynamic friction to 0, so the ball doesn't slow down or stick. Feel free to adjust the bounciness and friction settings to match the style of your game. But for this tutorial, I'm aiming for a ball that simply keeps bouncing in one spot, no rolling around, just straight up and down. Add a collider to our basketball. Then, we simply drag our physics material into the material slot inside the collider component. After that, don't forget to add a rigid body to the ball. This lets it respond to gravity and bounce properly. And that's it, we're all set. You've just created a bouncing ball in Unity, using only physics material, no code required. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Unity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.